Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you today how to create a grass in a Blender. To do that, I will delete this default cube and press Shift A on my keyboard to add a plane. I will press S on my keyboard to make it bigger. And now click over here that says Particle Properties. Right now we don't have any particle properties, so click on the plus button and choose over here on right size hair. As you can see, we have some nice hair effect, but we need to reduce the size, this hair length, reduce it, and increase the number of grass. For example, 10,000 will be fine. Now click on a physics, and under the forces, this Brownian, you can increase this Brownian to get this randomized effect. And the next step is to add some color, so go to material properties, click new, and change the base color over here to be green, and reduce a bit the darkness over here. And if I go to render, you can see the grass over here. You can also change a color a little bit like this to make it look better. Of course, you can always play with these options over here to increase the number of grasses, to increase the seed. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.